Yo, I'm just preemptively recording this because sometimes in the window you might see that, for example. We have a big thunderstorm currently going on. It's a little scary, but yeah, I mean, I know eventually it'll pass. So I'm just calm and collected and just wanted to record it because I thought it was pretty spectacular. I got some sick photos and video of it actually. And it might appear somewhere on the channel. Or other projects that I make. How you doing? How you doing? You doing good? Ignore that. You doing good? Music's popping off, getting blog placements and stuff like that. It's all good. No, not to brag, but I'm just chillaxing. Looks like it's getting shorter and shorter. If it's just light off, just see what goes on. It's a little eerie. This is just a video. Whoa. Fucking hell. I think we're now in the storm. Because before, actually I pulled these out because I have no use of this now. When we first saw it, like, yeah, that's close. When we first saw it, it didn't seem, I mean, it was close, but it didn't seem super far. Then, well, this, I heard like a loud, that was the classic, like, lightning dot MP3, just like, yeah, that's close. You can feel the rumble. If I was recording outside, you would hear my mom freaking the fuck out. I'm calm, I'm collected. I think it looks kind of cool, but it's scary if you're outside. Jesus, man. American weather, people. That's kind of what's happening. Sorry if I look like a mess here. I haven't shaved in a bit, which I should get to doing. Yeah, because I'm shaking. Now I'm get disconnect from Wi-Fi because it's basically down at this point. I don't know if it doesn't seem like a lot of light and stuff outside, or like street lights and stuff like that, because we have some lamps outside. That hasn't gone yet. Yeah, so we live we're basically living in the area where it's at its worst. Yeah, because I live close to Varberg. It's basically on our ass. We're in the storm. Thankfully we're inside, so the risk rate is kind of down, but still that's spooky. Maybe you can get a cool video of me standing near the window and seeing that shit go on. Don't let me actually. This is the most useful thing. Light. Uncut. Preemptive. Setting up a cool shot. There we go. Then I'll just stand here. Fucking hell. And this will look really dope. And not look like I'm a jackass. And, there we go. Fucking hell, that's bright. thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder. That's a low rumble. Whoa. I think one of the fucking lights just kind of flickered itself. Not like it died, but like it was very much like overpowered. Is that an effect of thunder? I don't know. Wikipedia. On the next episode of the Wikicons. Poor animals are out here, because we have neighbors who have horses. They have them who have dogs. And they must be freaking the fuck out. That was... That was pretty near. That was pretty close. Jesus. Fucking, I hope you're enjoying this. Am I out of focus? I bet I am. Fucking hell. There you go. Fucking hell. You hear that? You hear that, boys? That's loud. I don't even know if this is recording. No, it is. That's good. Speaking into a void. Speaking into an empty room. Fucking hell, man. This has been my life for the past 15-30 minutes. You got content. I think I'll have a proper video out this Friday. I'll try to at least. Unless we're just entirely fucked over by the thunder. But it should be fine. It should be fine. It's been a while since I've had, experienced such bad weather like this. That's a little oh, I'm fucking sweating. Not because I'm nervous or anything, it's just, it's so fucking hot as well, which is probably the reason we have thunder as well, is because heat waves and shit like that, and, weather is affected by the heat. And then you have, summer rain. Shit like that, I don't know. I'm fucking sweating. And I had a tough shit job today, so this is a bit. Anyways, I hope y'all aren't having as shit weather. I'm entirely banned from the second floor because the thunder is so nearby and it can strike the roof and, cause a fire hazard possibly. Yeah. I think I'll stop there. Whoa, that seemed a bit close. I sound like so stoned out of my mind. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it there. Hope you all are having a good day. Hope you're not experiencing thunder like me. Also, if you are, I hope I've been a good comfort on what I've done and just recorded it. Yeah. That was close. Did you see that? My mom came out. Bro, that was close. Okay, I'll turn it off now. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. Right, let's see. Let's get one final shot. Yes. You wanna see thunder? Well, there you go. That's 11 minutes of thunder for you. I hope it was enjoyable.